Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is industrial waste. So we try to understand what is industrial waste and categories. As such, there is no such standard definition of industrial waste. Industrial waste refer to the solid, liquid, and gaseous emission residuals and unwanted waste from the industrial operation. Industrial waste could be classified into the main two types: hazardous industrial waste and non-hazardous industrial waste. Hazardous industrial waste, hazardous waste which may be in a solid, liquid, or gaseous form, may cause a danger to the health or environment, either alone or when in contact with other waste. Over 2.6 million tons annually, it is presumes that is about to 10 to 15% of waste producing by the industries as are hazards. Generation of hazardous waste is increasing at the rate of 2 to 5% per year. One for one dump site identified and 88 critically polluted areas. Some contaminants of concerns. Hazard waste in particular include the product that are explosive, flammable, irritant, harmful, toxic, carcinogenics, corrosive, infectious, or toxic to reproduction. Arsenic mining non anthropogenics. Arsenic mining non as anthropogenics, geochemical fermentations, cadmium mining, fertilizer industry, battery waste, chromium mining area, tanneries, lead acid batteries, smelters, paint sludge, manganese mining area, mercury chlor-alkali industries, healthcare institutes, nickel. So these are some industrial wastes which may be explosive, flammable, and or irritant. So this is given. It is some examples of industrial waste which may be toxic, harmful, or flammable. Non-hazardous industrial waste. Non-hazardous or ordinary industrial waste generated by industry are the commercial activities, but is similar to the household waste by its nature and composition. It is not toxic, present no hazards, and thus require no special treatment. In particular, it includes only waste produced by the company, shopkeepers, and trade people, paper, cardboard, wood, textiles, and packaging, etc. So, waste management source of solid waste. This graph given that there is a 38% mineral extraction and process, 39% animals waste, and 14% crops. Municipalities 5%, industries 3%. Waste management. We have a huge solid waste disposal problem. Cities are producing far too much waste to dispose of. 80% of US trash landfill, 70% of these will fill and close in next 15 years. Our 1.5 of US cities run out of landfill capacity in a few years, and 1.2 of states in US will lose landfill capacity in 10 years. So waste management early views, dilute and disperses, later concentrate and contains, later yet uh, resource recovery, modern integrated waste management goal to recycle, extract resource and bury waste so as to create unusable land. So 3R, what is 3R? Reduce, recycle and reuse. And what is 4R? Reduce, recycle, reuse and recovers. So waste management, so this is a graph. You can check that Australia's or some other countries, how they manage their waste. So this light yellow give that waste management use landfill and recycles and composite and no service. So this is a graph you can check. And waste management method of disposal: one is on-site disposal. By far the most common is kitchen disposal. Incinerations at a department, some industry have stored and dumped on site, such as the infamous love canals. Compositing, biochemical process to produce the humus-like material for the soil fertilization. So it is a process to convert the waste by decomposing it to the humus-like material for soil fertilization. Ma- Third is incineration. Incineration is a method to destroy someone by increasing its temperatures. So 900 to 1000 centigrade will consume 70 to 90% typical waste as non-combustible. Realistically, at present, 50% problem with air pollution is incineration problem is air pollution. They can produce oxide of nitrogen, sulfide, and carbon dioxide and heavy metal, and toxic as um, escaping. Three are cheaper and more effective. So, fourth method is open dumped. Fifth method is sanitary landfills, area landfill on the flat land, depression landfill in a hole, typically excavated. So this is a natural attention of landfills use soil process to attenuate the impact of contaminants. So next we go and sanitary landfill potential hazard surface or groundwater pollution by the leachate and methane gas. Sanitary landfill site selections. First one is the site selection. Location of groundwater table and flow regained with respect to the site, climate added to the best of a course, topographic relief. Low relief is the most stable, but groundwater also factored in human areas want it above the water table. Proximity, humidity to population, and visual pollution or air pollution if incinerate. Type of a soil and rock best if a low permeability. So bathtub effect when too much leachate collect and overflow the containers. So integrated waste management strategy reduce, reuse, recycle, recovers and disposal. So way forward explosion method for waste. Minimization at source, increase awareness among companies, staff, and contractors, communities, focus on the possible reuse or recycling opportunities of a waste stream, and reuse of construction of waste for the road construction, using suitable technologies to treat each waste stream as specified by the nation's national and international standard. Work together with Ministry of Environment and Climate Affairs in Oman and BA and other bodies in to investigate waste reuse opportunity, investigate waste to energy opportunities. So thank